Hey guys, Spider's Hands here. Race making. Today we're doing the NASA updates. I think we should have like a Bonnie watching Cars Lego crossover. Alright, let's watch this crossover. So cool. Hey, you want to do a race? Yeah, let's do a race. Alright, you can start racing. Whoever wins this race wins this trophy. Sure thing. Get set, go! Nice. You're gonna do 3 laps. And of course, Bonnie was in this scene. To go. Lap 1. Lap 2, and lap 3 will be right here to here. I'm gonna win this race. No, I'm gonna win that race. What if you will win this race? I won the race. That was a good game. You're not mad? Of course I'm not mad. How would I be mad at you? That was a great race. I know. And stallion race. Congratulations, you two. You did a good job. Thanks, McQueen. Yeah, you're the best. Well, here we start. What a great show! It's a short video. Click like and subscribe, read the bell, and follow my comments and notifications. I'll see you on my birthday. Subscribe my channel.